lemon head. It's yellow. On me. You already know I'm gonna keep my review 100% with y'all. Shout out to Sam's Beauty for sending me this. This is a company that sells a whole bunch of different types of weave, from synthetic wigs, real human wigs, mixed wigs, different things you can find on their website. Anything you like, they got it. Definitely go check them out. I ain't gonna speak no more. If you want to get right into this review, keep watching. What's up, Golden Gang? We are back with another video, and this one is going to be another hair review. Today's video, we're gonna be trying something new. Something new. Like, when I say new, wow. Like, that color, right? Y'all, okay. Yeah, we going yellow. We going yellow. Yellow. This is your first time seeing my face on your screen or even watching my video, subscribe. Like, that's all you gotta do. This is that right there. This wig right here is from the company Sensational. This is their sheer Muse 100% premium fiber lace front wig. This is synthetic, of course. I got the color Neon Lemon. We looking like a lemon head. I'm so happy. It comes with a color palette. I've never seen that before. A wig come with a color palette, and it just tells you all the colors it comes in. It comes with ear-to-ear lace, and it has baby hairs, and it's safe up to 350 to 400 degrees. This is the hair right here, and it comes with 2 clips in the front, 1 clip in the back, and then adjustable straps, ear-to-ear lace, and about a 6-inch parting. So far, it sheds us a little. Like, I got two strands. It doesn't smell like anything. It's soft, but dang, is this thing bright. This is a bright wig, but I ain't gonna waste no time. We're gonna get right into it. Let's go put this thing on. Oh yeah, she yellow. Like, she yellow. So this is the hair straight out the package onto my head. I'm not gonna lie, like, this texture is really nice. And then the parting definitely needs to be worked on. I'm gonna, you know, jazz it up to my liking, and then come back and give y'all the final results. So while I have the lace kind of just laying down and just setting in place, what I did notice is, like, the front is highlight and the rest is like this more lemon color, which is so cute. Like, what? I'm gonna come back and show y'all how I customize the rest of this wig, and then we're gonna go to what it looked like, the final look. How y'all like yellow on me though? Okay, Golden Gang, this is the final result. This is the wig on your girl, and I'm honestly not mad about it. It takes heat very well, so the 350 to 400 mark, definitely true. It is soft. It does have a little bit of shedding, but regardless, I really like it, and I love this like blonde highlights in the front. Thank you, Sam Beauty, for sending me this. Like, I'm shook. I don't know if I'm shook because I can low-key rock it, or if I'm shook because, like, it's really a nice wig. Like, pop out with your yellow wig. And if I have to give this 1 out of 10 stars, I will honestly give it like a 8, a 9. No tangling, just a little bit of shedding, and it's good. And like, this ain't moving off his head. I always say, Golden Gang, smell good, still smile, and stay golden, Golden Gang. And I really hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did reviewing it. But again, thank you, Sam Beauty, for sending me this hair, and shout out to Sensational. Y'all doing y'all thing over there, changing the game of synthetic wigs. Like, y'all better quit playing with them. Quit playing. Alright, golden gang, stay tuned for the next video. Mwah. Lemonade, crunchy ice, sip it once, sip it twice, turn around, touch the ground, kick your boyfriend out of town, freeze. Hold up. Pose.
I walk in, working my shoulders.